is point of view, the way someone looks at an issue, an event, or person. So the writing that I had you guys do earlier in the week, last week, excuse me, I had you thinking about writing it from the point of view as your fourth grade teacher and as the point of view from Miss Rayfield. You were looking at something from another person's perspective or the way they kind of were looking at things. The next word is cause, an event or action that makes something else happen. If I'm walking and I've got a vase of flowers and I trip, what's going to happen? The vase could fall out and break in the floor. So me tripping caused the vase to break as I dropped it on the floor. The effect is an event or action that is a result of something else happening. Okay, so the cause is me tripping, then the effect is going to be me breaking the vase.